Good morning, this is Robin, and I wanted to do a short video about what I did my practicum project on. I work for DST Systems Incorporated. We are a large organization based out of Kansas City, Missouri. The arm I work for is the Financial Services Division, or Asset Manager Solutions, which is a transfer agent for mutual fund clients. And the need that we had was training, online e-learning training for our PINSEC facility, which is in our mainframe. PINSEC stands for Personal Identification Number Security. So our shareholders have online accounts with our mutual fund client websites. So some of our mutual fund companies, for example, are Principal Mutual Funds, Dodge & Cox, Calvert, Goldman Sachs, some names that you guys might be familiar with. So what needed to happen was we don't currently have a process where we can go in and train people in our beta mainframe for PINSEC, because there needs to be online accounts, live online accounts in the mainframe on the websites. So I worked with some of our tech people to get some test accounts, and we built these Captivate 9 modules on PINSEC. And I told it not to record the system audio, but we'll see. You can hear me talking a little bit in the background. But what this does is, this is using our DST template, but this first module is basically about what PINSEC is and why our call center associates need to use it. So it has the objectives. This particular first module talks about what PINSEC is and gives a brief tour. So some of my artifacts were to redesign learning objectives, create a design document. I created storyboards. There are going to be 5 modules. This first one talks about what PINSEC is and why we use it at DST in the contact center. And then the other modules are going to take the 5 common PINSEC functions within the mainframe system and provide step action instructions for how to process different functions within the mainframe system. And then I also recorded simulations, both demonstrative and training simulations, where they can walk through the process of how to do the functions, so that when they go to the live environment, when they go to the floor, they have a better understanding of what PINSEC is and the types of calls that our shareholders call in and request, the different types of situations and scenarios that they might have. This slide talks about that our PINSEC calls average between 40 to 50% of our daily volume calls, so it is a large chunk and a large portion of that process. But they also cannot log in on behalf of the shareholders, so that's a big issue as well. And I made that a very big error right here. So this is just kind of an example of the Captivate 9 tutorial, one of them that I created. And I'm going to stop short of showing you the actual mainframe systems, because it is a proprietary system, so I can't have it out in the public too much. But this particular slide talks about different PINSEC terms. So that was my project, and we will be piloting with brand new contact center associates starting the end of April. So I'm super excited. I did create level 1 and level 2 evaluations, and I'll be creating a level 3 as well at some point. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you like it, and please provide any feedback that you would like to.